Hello everybody, let's go ahead and check out the 2009 Rainbird sprinkler system for 2026. Go ahead and simply, or just put it on test all valves. It's just that easy. So we'll go over a couple of issues. I did record zone 7. It had the leaky valve. That was repaired on camera. I'll link that video. One I did not record on video was zone 4. Ended up my riser was broken on that sprinkler head right there, because I turned this one on and it was only going about half the distance it normally does. So I replaced that riser, back to full chooch. All is good. So let's go ahead and hit start, and we'll go to the Canon camera, which is waiting for us out front, hopefully, if nobody didn't walk off with it. So test all valves. We should be going. We'll go see. And as you can see, that is working just lovely. That head's good. As well as that one. Looks like it's doing okay. Should be getting just in time for zone 2, which is this area here at the front of the house. Here we go. That one always has a satisfying sound. No work required in the front yard this year. And all those other heads, 2 heads on this are working. Always that air in the line, but that's okay. It'll work itself out. Looks like we're fine and dandy there as well. We'll stand over here and get ready for zone 3. And hopefully I'll get some reflection off the water droplets from the sun to make for a nice effect. Should be going any moment now. Here we go. Zone 3. Look like we're doing pretty well. Look at it from this side. Looks like everything's working well here. And I'll wait on zone 4. See what it's going to do today. There we go. Make sure we're out of the way. Yep, looks like we're working well. AC kicked on. And got full chooch. Back like it's supposed to be. We're going to cross the streams. Not quite. There's 3 heads, and then a couple more over here. And a look from this side. Very nice. Wait for zone 5. See what this one's going to look like. Come zone 5. Right on. Working very well today. Streams are crossed. Let's wait for zone 6. Buried back in here in the flowers and weeds is zone 6. Actually comes out at the tropical plants. So there's not much to see here. You may hear it a little bit though. There it went. And it's the soaker hose. I can hear it flowing, so we're working there. Up next will be zone 7. There goes zone 7. Excellent. It appears to be working fine. Not a problem there. And sneak peek at the okra for 2026. And now we'll sit here and get ready for zone 8. There goes zone 8. Dripping away. That's what it does. I have made my way to zone 9. Wait on that one to fire off. And there goes zone 9. Now I did replace all the heads on this zone. They're just getting too erratic and not retracting like they were supposed to, so they don't cost that much money. So I got it done and everything's been working perfectly. And lastly, zone 10. We'll wait on that to start. And as a reminder, it does from 4 o'clock all the north side of the property up to the road. And there goes zone 10. Get a look at how it does the drip irrigation there. So it looks like the system is working well at this time. In the time of year I really need it to be working well. We're not getting rain at all. So once again, testing the 2009 Rainbird sprinkler system for 2026. Thank you for watching. Got 1 minute left there on zone 10.